Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Simple English Circle podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, welcome. This podcast is for English beginners. We just chat. Simple English, slow English, no stress.
Exactly. You listen, you relax, and you learn by listening.
Today's topic is a very important one.
Very important. Something you will do again and again.
We're talking about how to introduce yourself in English.
This is the first thing you do when you meet someone new.
A new friend, a new coworker, a new neighbor.
Or someone at a coffee shop.
Yes, and for many people, this feels scary.
Totally normal. But today, we're going to make it easy.
Very easy. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to introduce yourself in 4 simple sentences.
Just 4. That's it.
Okay, let's start at the beginning. Your name.
Your name is always first.
When I meet someone, I usually say, "Hi, my name is Emma."
And I say, "Hi, I'm John." Both are very common, very friendly.
Now it's your turn. You don't need to say anything fancy. Feel free to pause the podcast now and say your name out loud. When you're done, hit the play button again. Great. Step 1 done. See? That was easy.
Yes, that was awesome. Good job. Next, people often ask where you're from.
Yes, this comes up a lot. I usually say, "I'm from the United States."
And I say, "I'm from Canada." Sometimes people are from one place but live somewhere else.
That's true. For example, I could say, "I'm from the United States, but I live in Tokyo."
Very common. Okay, guys, now it's your turn. Pause the podcast now and say where you're from. Great job. You're doing really well.
I agree. That was great. Now let's talk about what you do, your job or your studies.
When I talk about this, I usually say I'm a podcast host.
Same here. I'm also a podcast host. If you're a student, you can say, "I'm a student." Very simple, very clear. Some people like to say more. For example, "I'm a student. I study business." Or "I work in an office." You don't need details, just something simple. Okay, guys, your turn again. Pause the podcast now and say what you do. Nice. That's part 3.
Now comes my favorite part, hobbies.
This is where conversations get fun. When I talk about hobbies, I usually say, "I like hiking. Being in nature is wonderful."
And I say, I like playing the guitar. That already tells people something about you. Sometimes people say, I like watching movies.
Or "I like cooking, but sometimes I order pizza."
Oh, pizza is life.
Yes. Honestly, pizza is the proof that money can buy happiness.
I agree. Another fun thing you can do is add a little comment to your hobbies. Like I could say, I like playing the guitar. It makes me happy.
Yes, that's a great example. It tells people more about you. You can even be silly. For me, I like napping. Naps are my happy hour.
Oh yes, I get that. Honestly, naps are underrated. A good nap can fix almost anything. Now, we have a little challenge for you. If you're watching on YouTube, go to the comments, introduce yourself to us. You can write your name, where you're from, what you do, and one thing you like.
And don't worry about mistakes. This is a friendly space. We read the comments and we love them. And if this episode helped you, please like the video.
Yes, please. And don't forget to subscribe to the Simple English Circle podcast. It helps us grow and reach more English learners.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening. And thanks, John. This was fun.
Thanks, Emma. I always enjoy these conversations.
Keep practicing, everyone, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for listening. Bye now.
Bye.